So I would say right now, when it comes to SHIB, we're on the bullish side of things. We're on the bullish side of the market. We're above trends. We're moving the right direction. There's a lot of great things that are happening right now when it comes to SHIB, but know that not every single day is going to be a green day, an exciting, explosive day. There are going to be periods of, flat, periods of consolidation. And right now, we're going through one of those periods. All right. You can obviously see yesterday was a red candle. Today, we've already started printing a gravestone doji candle, which shows typically a little bit of reversal ahead. Now, again, we're at the time of filming this, I'm only 6 hours into the day, so this may not finish this way. But know that it doesn't surprise me that these periods happen. We've gone on such an explosive run in the market. BTC again climbing from all the way down in that 26K range just 2 months ago? Not even 2 months ago, mid-October, to over 43K now. That's a massive move in the market. Even SHIB right now, having run from down in that range of 5067 all the way up to 4010, it's a big move in a short period of time in a bear market cycle. All right. So now there's a couple things I'm noticing in the charts here. Obviously right now, SHIB is still very much correlated with BTC. BTC is setting direction for SHIB and other assets, although assets are gaining slightly against BTC. That's what should start happening now. You're going to see this really begin to accelerate as we get into 2024 and as we get closer to the halving. That's just the way that these things typically work. Now, with SHIB showing some possible retracement here, some possible correction in terms of that, there's a few things that SHIB could do. SHIB could come down and again test this trend line that we've been setting up, this fifth leg of our 5-wave pattern. And we have been very bullish in this regard, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we're on track there. But if SHIB does not hold this, if we do manage to break through here, it's possible we could come down and test this 509 range. That would not surprise me in the slightest. That is where SHIB's long-term bearish trend line is. That is where we have had some levels of resistance when we were below here. So we'd have some levels of support here. That's where I would like to see SHIB drop to if we are going to drop and have a nice bounce off of there. It's possible we again create another higher low and can then explode from there and create another higher high. Know that when it comes to BTC, we need to see a little more strength. Again, this is the main driver for SHIB right now. We're just kind of following what BTC is doing. Most of the market is. That's the reason why when you look at everything today, you're pretty much right across the board because BTC is going through a little bit of a correction. We're on the weekend now, so we're going through a little bit of a drop. So what I'd like to see is some strength when it comes to BTC. I want to see us try to keep breaking through this 44K range. I want to see some more shorts liquidated. If we don't get that, know that there is a possibility that BTC consolidates and drops to close the year, kind of like we saw back in, what was that, 2015? Yeah, 2015. We got to this point where we were going on a nice run. We got up to these levels, and then we basically consolidated to drop the year or to close the year, right? If we zoom all the way back there, I actually had tried to have it laid out on there, and it just looked kind of weird, but you can see what happened back here, right? BTC hit these nice high levels, and then just kind of consolidated, showed some weakness to close the year. There is always the possibility that this happens. Do I think that's going to happen? Not necessarily. I mean, we're actually very strong right now in the crypto market. Okay. We've continued to create higher highs and higher lows for BTC. There's pending white swan events that could provide some more direction in the market. And I think everybody right now is finally starting to get it. They're starting to get the direction that's taking place. So what happens to SHIB from here? Well, SHIB is going to move quick. Remember, we have escaped these low ranges of liquidity. We are now in areas where the volatility is going to be higher. I mean, just look at some of the wicks that we've had on the way up here compared to down here. These are small, boring, 0.5% moves, 1% moves, nothing very big. And then when you get up here, we got much higher movements in a single day. Know that as we get even higher from here, those movements are going to be even larger still. Once SHIB breaks past 4012, once it breaks past 4014, we get up into no man's land. This is areas where SHIB can move extremely quickly, and that potential it's right around the corner here, guys. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts about where we're going from here. As long as BTC stays strong, if BTC continues to set new higher highs, SHIB for the time being is going to continue to show that strength as well. It's my thought here. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.